Hello guys, I am Apurva from bloggingmaker.com and here we are at Vidjack Video Review. So I am going to review Vidjack software and I select some cool bonuses as a gift from my side, and if you buy Vidjack from me then all the bonuses will be going to your so the bonus link will be in the description below. The first link will be the bonus page link. I'm going to take you to my bonus page and show you all the information about Vidjack. So stay tuned in the video and till the end it will be interesting. So what is Vidjack? Vidjack is a brand new cloud-based software which allows you to edit any kind of YouTube, Vimeo videos and create it as a profit pooling machine, and then you can embed these videos on your website or on your landing page. So this is a very interesting software. So let's go to the bonus page and see the bonuses and the price of this product. So here we are at the sales page of this video, and this is my review page of Vidjack. So let's go and see the bonuses. So the first bonus is one-to-one call support from me. You will get 100% 24/7 support from me if you buy Vidjack from me. Using Vidjack, if you face any kind of problem, if you face any kind of bug in the software, then you can contact with me. I am giving you all the information to contact with me, like WhatsApp, Skype, email, Facebook, everything. So next bonus is video marketing masterclass. So with this masterclass video you will get access to know how you can marketing your videos and how you can generate tons of targeted traffic on your videos. So the next third bonus is A to Z case study on setting up a professional affiliate marketing campaign. So I am showing you all the essential information about affiliate marketing campaign. So there is a 6 video training I am going to show you. So from choosing a products, from setting up a campaigns, from setting up a buyer traffic. So all the A to Z case study I am going to show you in this video. So the next is Fugo affiliate marketing training. So the Fugo will be showing you how to generate $255 per day in income. So this is a very essential training if you want to buy a Vidjack. So with the Vidjack software it will help you to generate more leads and more traffic and more income. So the next bonus is all the vendor bonuses. So let's see the vendor bonuses here. So the first vendor bonus is every live video engager, so live reaction voter. So this is a tool for displaying Facebook reactions in real time on a Facebook live video voting. Next is ultimate content vault. So the ultimate social media marketing vault with everything you need to engage your audience. You will get all these receive image based movie quotes, image based interesting fact image. Next, fifth bonus is web conversion video. You'll see the description. Please pause the video and read the descriptions if you want. Next is bonus 6, local business graphics bundle, cautionary email marketing video upgrade. So these 7 bonuses is yours if you buy Vidjack. So all the bonuses will be delivered in the thank you page of JVideo. After buying Vidjack you will land at this page, so you have to click on this blue button to avail all the bonuses. So please go through the early bird bonus, because these bonuses will be vanished after this timer will hit the 0. So please take action as soon as possible. So you have to click on these buttons to redirect it to the sales page. So this is a sales page, very interactive and very informative sales page. You get the testimonials here. So go through this and let's see the prices of the Vidjack software. So the first price is front end. So the front end price is Vidjack plus $67. You will get access to create 20 interactive videos with ultimate video views. So on the front end you get access to create only 20 interactive videos. After Vidjack Pro, after updating the Vidjack Pro, which is only $67, users get access to create unlimited interactive videos with unlimited views, email opt-ins, product sales, quiz, clients and profits. Upsell 2 is Vidjack Agency Toolkit, which is $97. So users get all the assets needed to start and run six-figure first of its kind interactive video marketing agency. So you will get animated sales videos, professional agency website, telemarketing script, email swipes, proposals, web and marketing graphics, contract agreement and lots more. Upsell 3 is Vidjack Agency, which is $67. You will get lifetime access to bestseller Video Tour 360. So Video Tour 360 is another product of Ifiok, who is the vendor of this product. So next is Upsell 4, which is reseller license, which is $297 and $497. So with this Upsell Vidjack app, you can sell this software and keep 100% of profit. Easy way to make money selling software products. Okay, you get 14 days of money back guarantee also. So if you buy Vidjack and you think that it doesn't work as you think, then you can return the software and get the money back. Okay, so let's see the review of this software. My friend Ifiok will be showing you the full in-depth review of this software. So let's start the review.
In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a demo of the Vidjack software and how you can actually use this proprietary technology to turn any YouTube or Vimeo video into a profit-pulling machine. Now let's get started by actually creating a new campaign. Watch. Let's name it Test 1. Copy and paste the URL of any YouTube or Vimeo video right here and proceed. Now this is our interactive video editor with several interactive elements that you can drag and drop at any point in your video. Now you have a timeline here where you can actually adjust when each element you add will pop up and when it will actually disappear. Now let's check out some of the interactive elements that you can drag and drop right on top of your video. The subscribe element allows you to grow your email list with opt-in forms. For all the elements, everything is editable. You could drag, you could resize, you could change the background color, or use one of the presets. You could change the format of the text. You could add animation. You could connect your leads to marketing platforms like email autoresponders and webinar platforms. Now let's do a preview.
We use our body weight to leverage
Awesome.
the movements we're doing, and we have a heavy focus on the core. So if you want to get your core tight, you want to get your body ripped.
All right, here we go. You can enable the pause video option to pause the video at this point and force the users to opt in before watching the rest of the video. Now let's take a look at other interactive elements as well. We have the text element that you could drag and drop anywhere on your video. We have the reward and gamification to boost engagement. We have the create scarcity with countdown timers. It just keeps going. Listen to this. Sell and receive payments right inside your video. How about that one? You could go viral with social share widgets. You could add your images or choose from over 7 million royalty-free stock images, illustrations, and objects. This one, quiz and surveys. This one is maps. This one, video within video. And finally, Embed Element allows you to embed any HTML widget right on your video. That's huge. Rewards actually allows you to offer coupons, discounts, and freebies after viewers spend a certain amount of time watching your videos. You could skyrocket engagement to a level you'd have never imagined was achievable with that. Now here's how it works. You choose how many seconds viewers have to watch the video before unlocking a reward. You enter a title and a description for the reward. You upload an image for the reward. Now choose how you want to deliver that reward. You have 3 options here. You could redirect viewers to another page to claim their reward, or you could upload a file that viewers can download right inside the video. You could upload coupon codes that users can claim right inside the video as well. Now, single-use coupons can only be issued to one viewer, and the next line will be issued the next time. So let's preview our video. Wow, that's awesome. The product element allows you to sell physical or digital products right inside any YouTube or Vimeo video. This comes with 2 checkout options. The external link allows you to redirect prospects to your affiliate link. The inbuilt payment system allows you to connect your PayPal or Stripe and actually receive payments from right inside the video. Now on the campaign settings, you can enable or disable autoplay to capture users' attention. You could redirect your visitor to any URL after watching your video. You could customize the player and controls to suit your needs. You could use your custom thumbnails, enable sticky videos, or pimp your player with attractive video skins that pops. Vidjack auto-adjusts your content to suit mobile, laptop, tablets, and enhance the viewing experience for your videos. Now, everyone likes to feel special, right? That's why adding details to a personalized video, like your viewer's name, is the perfect way to engage and delight your audience. To embed a video, simply copy and paste this code on your website, your blog, or your sales page. Now you could use this direct link that opens in a browser to share on social media or emails. How cool is that? I bet you love it. Guess who else is going to love it? Your clients. Everyone is hosting videos on the internet. Barely anyone is truly engaging their audience up to their true potential. Hardly anyone. This is the very first time that agencies such as yourself can offer a very rare service, one that makes existing videos more interactive and more engaging. When you buy Vidjack today, you also get access to our free commercial license. So you only pay once, but you profit every day from multiple clients, right? To help you land those clients fast, we are adding access to interactive video agency accelerator training as a bonus for fast action takers today. Comprehensive step-by-step training on how to start, run, and scale a successful agency business from scratch. Now, early adopters will also get access to our searchable database of over 25 million businesses that you can reach out to and sell your interactive video services. Everything has been made ridiculously simple here. There's no technical skills required. It's as easy as dragging and dropping. There are 2 support teams waiting for you too. The tech support team is on standby in case you have any challenges using the software. There's also the business support team if you need help with setting up your agency and actually getting clients. You will also be added to a one-on-one Skype group mentorship. This Skype mentorship alone is worth 10 times whatever you pay today, at least. To crown it all, everyone that joins today will have the opportunity to get with us one-on-one on a Zoom video call to answer any question and help you in real time. Now, we offer you a 100% refund within 30 days if you don't like the software for whatever reason, or decide you want your money back to go buy that new shirt instead. Look, we're 100% what we're giving you today, and we're giving you a whole lot: the software, the training, the accelerator, the business database, the Skype mentorship, and other bonuses. This literally makes it a risk for you not to try, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.
So I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is Vidjack is and how it's work. Okay, so please give a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button to get notified for my next review videos. I am making this kind of money making software reviews and some bonuses also. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you guys. Bye bye. See you again.